Hello students, I hope you all are doing well at home. Dear students, kindly open Standard 6 Social Science Part 2 Geography Chapter 1 Page number 112. Let's continue the chapter. The Earth is a unique planet because it is the only planet where life exists. The conditions that makes this planet habitable are: number 1, suitable temperature. Mercury and Venus are very close to the sun and are extremely hot. Life cannot exist on them as temperature rises above 400 degree Celsius. Neptune is quite far from the sun's warmth. The temperature there is about minus 220 degrees Celsius. Only on the earth do we have a moderate average temperature of 22 degrees Celsius, which is neither too hot nor too cold. Number 2, availability of water. The presence of the adequate water on the earth supports life on this planet. About 2/3 of the surface of the earth is covered with water. Therefore, this planet looks blue from the outer space. That is why it is also known as the blue planet. Dear students, which planet is also known as the blue planet? Yes, Earth is also known as the blue planet. Number 3, breathable atmosphere. The presence of the oxygen in the atmosphere is helpful for the survival of human beings and other forms of life on the earth. The atmosphere also protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. It is the only planet in the solar system which has suitable environment for the origin and growth of various life forms. Mars is called the red planet as reddish brown rocks and dust in its atmosphere gives it a reddish look. Its thin atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide. Its surface remains cold every time and its poles are covered by ice caps. This is a picture of Mars, which is called the red planet. Jupiter. It is the largest outer planet in the solar system, known for its red spot. Jupiter gives off more energy than it receives from the sun. It has 67 moons. It is popularly called the mini solar system. This is a picture of Jupiter. Saturn. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. 3 rings made of icy partials around its equator make it the most beautiful planet of the solar system. It has 62 moons. Children, see, this is the Saturn planet. Uranus. It was discovered in 1781 by William Herschel. Like Venus, it revolves from east to west. It is one of the coldest planets. It has 27 moons and it is made up of liquid hydrogen. This is the picture of Uranus. Neptune. Planets Neptune and Uranus are often called twin giants as they have a similar size and structure. Neptune has a greenish color due to the presence of the methane. Neptune was discovered in 1846 by a German astronomer. It also has rings around it, which were traced in 1984. It is the coldest amongst the major planets. Standard